हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू ऑल? अ वेरी वार्म वेलकम ऑन प्रोपेल्ड। सबसे पहले इस स्कॉलरशिप सीरीज में हम आज बात करने वाले हैं डिजिटल गुजरात स्कॉलरशिप के बारे में। क्या आप इस पर्टिकुलर स्कीम के लिए एलिजिबल हो कि नहीं, इस पर्टिकुलर स्कीम के बेनिफिट्स क्या हैं, ये जानने के लिए तो आपको एंड तक बने रहना पड़ेगा। पर उससे पहले सब्सक्राइब प्रोपेल्ड राइट अवे राइट नाउ, क्योंकि बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट कंटेंट आप सबके लिए हम डाल रहे हैं प्रोपेल्ड पे। इस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो को लाइक भी जरूर करना। Now let's understand Digital Gujarat Scholarship है क्या? So the Digital Scholarship by Gujarat government is a meticulously curated scheme by the Gujarat government. It offers financial means for gaining education to different sections of society. These scholarships are strategically designed to foster inclusivity and equal opportunities for all, irrespective of their financial or personal backgrounds. It's aimed at the students in schools, colleges, and those pursuing the doctoral studies as well. The scholarship is facilitated regularly to nurture talent and elevate financial barriers in the pursuit of education. There are around 34 different types of scholarships offering diverse avenues of opportunities under Digital Gujarat Scholarship. ये scholarships cater करते हैं wide range of needs for varying categories that include low-income groups, marginalized communities, meritorious students. The range of scholarships covers various academic disciplines and categories too. The scheme aims to ensure social upliftment and provide financial assistance at all the levels. क्या आप एलिजिबल हैं डिजिटल गुजरात स्कॉलरशिप के लिए? तो सबसे पहले ये बता दूं कि इसके अंदर बहुत सारी स्कीम्स चलती हैं। हर स्कीम की एक अलग एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया है और उस स्कीम का बेनिफिट भी अलग है। एक एक स्कीम को हम समझते हैं, उनका नाम क्या है, उसकी एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया क्या है और उसका बेनिफिट क्या है। फर्स्ट इज द EBC फीस एग्जेम्पशन स्कीम गुजरात। The eligibility criteria of this particular scheme is all the graduate students currently enrolled in recognized colleges or university जिनकी annual fee income is under 2.5 lakh rupees. What is the benefit जो आपको मिलने वाला है? Full scholarship for students securing more than 60% in 12th grade exams and 50% scholarship for students securing less than 60%. Exemption of full or half fee of the course. Second is educational assistance for NTDNT students studying in self-financed colleges of Gujarat. NTDNT students enrolled at independent run colleges. Over here also, सबसे पहले एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है कि एनुअल फैमिली इनकम शुड बी अंडर 2.5 लाख रुपीज. So over here, the benefit is up to rupees 50,000 for fees like examination, registration, and other fees. The third one is fellowship scheme for M.Phil and PhD SC students Gujarat. The SC category students enrolled in M.Phil or PhD programs over where the annual family income is less than 2 lakh rupees. So the benefit is rupees 2,500 rupees per month for M.Phil students and rupees 3,000 rupees per month for PhD students will be given to them. Next scheme is fellowship scheme for M.Phil and PhD students SEBC Gujarat. SEBC category students enrolled in PhD or M.Phil programs जहां पर family annual income is under और अराउंड 45,000 रुपीज ओनली, उन लोगों को बेनिफिट कितना मिलेगा? रुपीज 25,000 पर मंथ फॉर एमफिल स्टूडेंट्स एंड रुपीज 30,000 पर मंथ फॉर PhD स्टूडेंट्स. नाउ इफ यू विश टू टेक बेनिफिट्स फ्रॉम फेलोशिप स्कीम ऑफ गुजरात, देन यू हैव टू बी इन SC, ST or SEBC and other category students enrolled in classes grade from 11th to graduate level. Minimum 70% marks आए हो क्लास 10th में and annual family income is less than 2.5 lakh rupees. Then the benefit over here is rupees 2,000 per month at the secondary level, rupees 3,000 per month at the graduation level, and rupees 5,000 per month at the post-graduation level. Next in the list is food bill assistance for medical engineering students SEBC Gujarat. SEBC students enrolled in medical or engineering program living in a college dorm, annual family income under rupees 2.5 lakh rupees, then the benefit is rupees 1,200 rupees per month. Food bill assistance in college attached hostels Gujarat is the next category, जहां पर ST category students must be enrolled in a regular course at an accredited college and family income should be less than 2.5 lakh rupees, and over here फूड बिल असिस्टेंस ही बेनिफिट के फॉर्म में दिया जाए. नेक्स्ट इज फूड बिल असिस्टेंस टू SC स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ गुजरात. SC category students enrolled in an engineering or medical program at an accredited college and annual family income is less than 2.5 lakh rupees, then rupees 1,000 for 10 months would be given to them. Next is Mukhyamantri Yuva Swavalamban Yojana, Gujarat. Minimum 80 percentile in class 10th or 12th examination or 65 percentage marks in diploma, and annual family income should be under rupees 6 lakh rupees to take this particular benefit. Tuition fee up to rupees 2 lakhs, hostel food assistance of rupees 12,000, book equipment assistance of up to rupees 10,000 would be given to the students in the form of benefits. Next in the list is Research Scholarship Gujarat. So, postgraduate students pursuing a PhD research program in fields such as chemistry, physics, mathematics, biology, zoology, microbiology, certificates of BSc and MSc programs in relevant subjects are actually eligible for Research Scholarship Gujarat, and age limit may be there and it can vary, and the benefit also varies depending upon program to program. Next is War Concession Scheme Gujarat. The children of war, dead jawans enrolled in public or grant and aid schools are eligible for this particular scheme. Over here, the free studentship, free concession and other educational facilities would be provided to the students. हुई बात eligibility और benefits की under different schemes. अब बात कर लेते हैं selection criteria of Digital Gujarat Scholarship. The selection criteria across all scholarships that I mentioned just now come under the scheme are formed keeping in mind the utmost convenience and easy facilitation of the grant for students of all types. The recipients will be chosen in the following way. First, proof of being domiciled in the state of Gujarat will be checked. Second, filling out application form before the deadline would be processed. Third, submission of relevant documents that will include personal, educational and bank-related documents. Next is enrollment in the relevant scholarship courses with recognized schools, colleges or universities. So what is the application process? The application process बहुत आसान है. Visit the official Digital Gujarat portal website. हमने link दी हुई है description box के अंदर भी. Click on the registration column at the extreme left of the website. If you are a first timer, click on the new registration citizen. Fill in details that include mobile number, email and password. Enter the CAPTCHA. Save your details upon verifying the same. New and previous users can then log into the portal by filling in their credentials, username, password and CAPTCHA as the registered users. Fill in the OTP received on the registered mobile number and email ID when prompted. Upon successful login, choose your scholarship type and language. Enter all necessary details in the Digital Gujarat Scholarship form related to personal, educational, banking information. Attach the listed documents as per the chosen scholarship. The portal also includes and allows storing documents in a digital locker for safe and quick use. Upload your photo and check your details before submitting your application. Print the form and your application process stands complete. Digital Gujarat Scholarship में इतनी सारी schemes, कौन-कौन से documents हर scheme आपसे मांग सकती है? Let's look into them one by one. First, certificate of SC, ST or OBC or other community issued by recognized authority. Second, detailed mark sheets for all preceding qualifying examination. Third, certificates of diplomas and degrees. Fourth, proof of being domiciled in state of Gujarat. Fifth, certificate of disability, if applicable, issued by recognized authority. Sixth, admission or fee received of the course for which the scholarship is required. Seventh, income certificate or income statement. Eighth, copy of the front page of the bank passbook. Ninth, passport size photograph. 10th, other relevant documents as specified in the scholarship guidelines. So this was about digital scholarship that's being run by Gujarat, and trust me, all these scholarships are really useful. अभी जाके उनकी वेबसाइट पर चेक करिए. अगर आप गुजरात से स्पेसिफिकली तो आपको जरूर चेक करना चाहिए. All the parents and students, अगर आप इस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो को देख रहे हैं तो सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना, क्योंकि बहुत रेलेवेंट कंटेंट आपके बच्चे के लिए आने वाला है प्रोपेल्ड पर. लाइक जरूर करिएगा इस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो को और शेयर करिएगा अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ भी. दैट्स ऑल फ्रॉम माय साइड. बाय बाय.